What is one secret about YouTubers that most people don't know?
Oh!
What is your next big project?
2 weeks ago, we got an idea.
Please give hint on page number 79.
Is it fiction? Is it full fake?
Can you guys share your love story? How it all began?
3 साल
Happy birthday!
APH.
कैलेंडर जिनके पास उनको पता है इधर पे 3 भी लिखा है. Yay! Congratulations to all of us. 3 years, 940 plus videos, 900k like छूते हुए 1 million को.
1 मिनट टच करते हुए.
Yeah, 1 billion plus views, billion plus.
Wow, billion.
Oh my, I can't even process that. And we are doing a ritual thing, which is आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन भेजे थे Instagram पे, YouTube पे. Sitting with all
उसमें
of
से जो
them.
comfortable questions थे, we are going to answer in this video. So we are going to talk about book,
Our journey so
journey on YouTube and as content creators.
Video related questions जो थे, next project
and last में some personal questions.
Yeah, let's start with first
Yes.
question. Book related था ये, बहुत सारे आए थे. Please give hint on page number 79.
Page number 79 is missing. And in our live shows, जो हम offline अपना comedy, trivia plus comedy show कर रहे हैं, we have been giving hint. So it's time we give the hint to the entire internet.
And that we will give at the end. ठीक है?
हाँ, in between our personal questions, we'll drop the hint.
After the success of What the What, do you plan to write another book?
दोस्तों, the book was very painful and very rewarding
Yes.
project. It was overall very successful project of APH.
Yes.
One of the most successful projects. We want to double down on it. We want to write more books.
अच्छा गाइस, मोहित ने पिछले वीडियो में बोला था कि मेरा तो हो गया.
हाँ.
माय ख्याली बिरयानी. I do want to be like a full-time author.
I feel done. I am done. आइडियाज बचे और पता है दिस लास्ट वीक एक रियलाइजेशन हुई है कि भाई इफ योर प्रोजेक्ट इज सक्सेसफुल यू डू नॉट से कि हाँ बस हो गया. यू से ओ पीपल लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स सो यू डू मोर ऑफ दोस थिंग्स.
I know. तो-
मेरी लर्निंग थी. निप्पू वाज करेक्ट फ्रॉम डे 1.
पर ऐसी ना कुछ चीजें बची हुई हैं which if we don't write, I think थोड़ा regret रह जाएगा कि oh should have done that.
कुछ ना कुछ तो बुक आएगी दोस्तों.
Yeah.
We have many ideas and whenever the book will come it will be independently published by ourselves so that we can do everything on our own terms.
Can you do a novel like for nerds and eccentrics like myself where there are really good real life references?
I don't know who this person was. 2 weeks ago Nippon and I came up with beautiful idea. अब देखो अपना आइडिया तो ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा. Nippon, what was our idea?
It was a murder mystery.
Murder mystery. Why? We love watching murder mysteries. We love reading murder mysteries. We love talking about murder mysteries.
Exactly.
We got an idea about a murder mystery. Never done before.
And we want to make it exactly as आपने बोला ना, we want to make it very nerdy and add a तड़का to it. One of the many ideas of the books में है ये.
The murder mystery itself will be like something like this, full of puzzles, twist. If you are one of those who love murder mystery, बता दो ताकि we get more confident.
एक ही जन 4 बार ना लिखना, फिर मुझे लगता है कि अरे वाह देख मोनू कितने लोग बोल रहे हो, फिर दिखता है कि
हाँ फिर आप कॉपी खरीदते हो. 4 लेंगे तो 4 बार लिख दो. I don't mind.
Okay, last one related to the book. इसके बाद हम जर्नी पे जाएंगे. Did you take inspiration from any other book before writing your own?
Oh.
Somebody also asked about the journey of the book. उसका पूरा vlog है.
हाँ.
तो it's a 3-part series. Please
Yeah,
watch
yeah.
it. इधर आ जाएगा. There was no other book like this, so we did not.
Yeah.
But there were a lot of things in real life from which we took references. So I'll give you one of my favorite examples. Is if you go to the index page, तो आपको ऐसे paw mark दिखेगा आपको कहीं पे और उसमें लिखा है do not miss. Do not miss these pages जहाँ जहाँ पॉप मार्क है. This is a thing that we learned from a museum we went into because उस म्यूजियम में को घूमने का हमारे पास टाइम नहीं था and it's a huge museum. तो हम जैसे ही वहाँ घुसे हम सोचे कि हम कहाँ जाए क्या करें. उस म्यूजियम में एक बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगा हुआ है जिसमें शायद 10-12 चीजें लिखी हुई हैं.
Entry परी.
हाँ एंट्री परी which says do not miss these and there are like the most iconic things of this museum का लिस्ट. So वो आइडिया हमारे पास रह गया कि we wanted this book to reach a non-reader. तो अगर वो पूरी बुक नहीं पढ़ पा रहे वो सिर्फ इतना भी पढ़ लें तो भी उनको थोड़ा फील आ जाएगी कि बुक क्या है. चलो अब हम चलते हैं जर्नी पे.
If you look back now, what is one thing that you would have done differently?
I don't know if I would have done differently, but I think जैसे Instagram पे recently we added अरे पता है by Nippon and Mohit. I think I would have taken a little more control of our identity कि this is a channel run by the two of us. Maybe logo या DP में भी वो कर देती मैं. Because बहुत सारे brands को कुछ अलग perception होता है. उनको लगता है कि ये ऐसी कोई brand है. We are just like one of the two faces. तो
And there are like 4 or 5 people who are partner in this channel. तो ऐसा करके.
So बहुत सारी opportunities मुझे लगता है बहुत मिस हुई हैं which we don't even know of. बहुत सारी we know of.
मतलब one thing differently I would have done, make it very clear from day one कि it's the two of us and our crew.
Not big regret, but थोड़ा what is one secret about YouTubers that most people don't know?
We also learned something very new, which is number of subscribers actually does not matter. It's like
हाँ यार.
it's peanuts. Getting subscribers is never been easier. है ना? In a country where we have like so many people,
Yeah.
everybody is on the internet, but to get the depth with those subscribers, it has never been harder. For example, if you want to like get like 1-2 लाख 3-4 लाख subscribers, आप shorts बनाओ फटाफट से जैसे हम बनाए थे, and within 1 year 1.5 साल में you will get lakhs of subscribers. Now because content watching is so easy, just by doing shorts पे swipe, there are fewer people who watch long form videos क्योंकि shorts are easy to consume.
Like we are not looking forward to 1 million in all honesty because we are like
we can wait. We want 1 million when we can sell 1000 seater shows.
और इससे ना ब्रांड्स भी आजकल बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि क्या हो रहा है क्योंकि इट्स नॉट अबाउट किसी का फॉलोअर काउंट कोई नहीं देखता उसे व्यूज देखते लाइक इट्स बहुत कुछ हिला हुआ है एंड दैट इज अ सीक्रेट.
What was one best moment and one devastating moment in this 3-year journey?
एक तो थोड़ा recency bias है.
Okay.
So we did our show in Bangalore. It was like 100 seater. It was our biggest show and we got a standing ovation at the end of it. And ताली जो बहुत देर तक नहीं रुकी.
हमें बोलना पड़ा अबे रुक जाओ.
It was like हम दोनों इतने awkwardly खड़े ना स्टेज में क्योंकि it was a moment we were not ready for. We don't know how to react to
I
it.
cried only.
हाँ, both of us were crying. But every time we meet our subscribers in these shows, it is a big highlight for me. Honestly, मैं आज पहनी भी वही हुई हूँ. Like this is gifted by a Brainiest member Anvaya. These earrings were gifted in the latest Bengaluru show.
Oh, nice.
I just love meeting our subscribers. Every time we've shot with some कोई बड़े लोग, it's a really best moment. Like it's really sweet to think कि अरे we could get a chance to meet them.
Yeah, if you were there in a Bangalore show, thank you so much.
Seeing the book getting printed was also very crazy. One of the best moments.
We cried again.
I know we spoke about not reaching subscribers, but when we reached our first 100K was also very sweet.
We
when
cried again.
Some of our videos, जिसमें we've put in a lot of heart, especially the explainer videos, when they reach 1 million or anything, is very beautiful.
We cry again. हम रोते बहुत हैं नहीं?
हाँ, actually, whenever you send kindest DMs, messages, we get teary-eyed. कुछ लोग voice notes भेजते हैं. All of these are like best moments.
Oh, lovely.
When we were about to shut the channel, members came in to support. Highlight.
Yeah, and that was the devastating moment.
Oh.
Honestly.
हाँ.
कि right before we started memberships,
yes.
we were like, okay, let's shut it down. I mean, day one से we were like, okay, this is all good and fun and game, लेकिन we'll detach ourselves from the success of this channel. तो हमें ऐसा था कि ठीक है, viewers हैं, कुछ लोग देख रहे हैं, but this takes a lot of your. हम बताएंगे last में कि कितना time लगता है. It takes a lot of time and it's not worth it. So we were like about to shut it down when all of you just came forward and started supporting us with memberships. So that was the lowest point in time, and now I don't think there can be any other moment. There cannot be any moment from which we cannot come back.
Yeah.
Because now I have full trust in our people.
हाँ यार, चैनल शट डाउन होने से अभी
Yeah.
उभर के आ गए तो
Yeah,
क्या?
full trust, heart to heart.
If you had to change the name of your channel, what would the new name be?
It would be Mr. Beast, and not just Mr. Beast. पूरा नाम लिख के रखा है, रुको. Mr. Beast, real, original, official, 2.0, Pro, Max, Ultra, Reloaded, Returns. That is my channel.
बड़ा हो सकता है ना?
जहाँ पे कैरेक्टर लिमिट खत्म हो जाएगी वहाँ रुक जाऊंगा मैं.
Where do you see your channel in 5 years?
On YouTube. Suppose if YouTube
बंद हो
dies
गया, हाँ.
and new app comes, कोई ना कोई तो क्लिप बनाना चाहिए इसको on YouTube and now
Bro spoke too soon. This didn't age well.
age like a milk.
I would want in future for this channel to be bigger than just a channel. जो अब धीरे धीरे वो हो रहा है, but bigger than just one channel के अलावा भी please हम कुछ करें. I would want it to be like a full blown umbrella of curiosity.
You want to be umbrella?
अरे क्या बोल रहा है? नहीं, I want this channel. No, I want it to be like a huge empire. Maybe physical products or make more
games,
channels.
more mini games like Hardware maybe.
But yeah, something bigger than just one
Just YouTube videos.
channel, just another channel.
So we have at least YouTube channel and book, 2 things now.
ये भी इस पर
Calendar, we have calendar also.
Yes. और फैलाए और बड़ा करें.
Yeah.
Curiosity को access करने के बहुत means हो सकते हैं
Yeah.
apart from just being a channel. I know some of the most curious folks are also not on the internet. How do
Yes.
we reach them? Yeah.
You give them a Jio ka SIM. Bring it on the internet, then everybody is so
yeah.
happy, problem solved.
Who designed the logo of this channel?
Me. In 60 seconds. मैं दिखाता हूँ. निप्पू, एक कैमरा लेकर आओ.
Yes.
मैंने पहले ये आर्टबोर्ड बनाया,
This is Figma.
मैंने इंटेरोबैंग लिख दिया, देन आई चोज दिस फॉन्ट, देन दिस इज द लोगो. Did it in less than 1 minute.
Actually, I don't know पहले किसी वीडियो में बताया कि नहीं बात, but Mohit is very very fast in executing an idea. He's an executioner, as I call him. तो अगर उसको कोई आइडिया लगता है, this is nice, this is us, we can do it, he'll be like.
So this is the only thing I've learned in life. Whenever starting a new project, you have to build momentum. Motivation आएगी चली जाएगी. जब थोड़ी सी motivation है ना, turn that motivation into momentum.
Wow.
Like kadak, and then it will take care of itself. What are tips for a new YouTuber, Nippu? There is only one tip. Make 100 videos and improve one thing per video. And eventually you'll find, hey, like your videos are great now, you have become successful. The shortest way to success as content creator is the long way. If you're just starting out, there is no other way. हमारी पहली वीडियो के अंदर लाइट खराब थी तो हमने थोड़ा लाइट इंप्रूव की, फिर देखा कि अरे आवाज भी खराब है, फिर आवाज थोड़ी इंप्रूव की, फिर देखा कि अरे एंगल थोड़ा खराब है, फिर एंगल थोड़ा इंप्रूव किया, फिर देखा कि इंट्रो थोड़ा खराब है, फिर इंट्रो. Just imagine your first video and then you have improved 100 things in it by your 100th video. क्या crazy नहीं हो जाएगा आपका?
Also be okay with your first video not being perfect, being absolutely cringe, and never delete that video. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे चैनल
है ना? Story. That is the story.
Yeah. What is the toughest part about making quiz videos? For example, research, editing, coming up with questions, filming reactions. What is the toughest part? Okay. Just want to say कि members only video है, हम दोनों का quiz बनाते हैं. How I make a quiz? 5 hour long, and I think mine is 4 hour long. Research takes a lot of time. Writing the question takes a lot of time. Most toughest is hiding the question from each other and controlling कि कुछ if I learned a crazy trivia कि I don't share it with Momo because we cannot act. So all of the videos are unscripted. So it is.
And also vice versa. Suppose if I know that Nipun is making say a quiz on monuments, so I do not research on monuments. है ना? That would be cheating. So nobody does. It feels like we are having extramarital affair. Like you have to like hide your lap. No, don't come here. Don't look. Don't look at my phone. Don't look at my screen. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. मतलब I think we are pros at extramarital affairs now.
And editing, I'm sure the edit team is watching this.
Yeah.
Lot of challenges.
Kudos to all the post-production team, pre-production team who people who help us with research sometimes. Could not have done anything without you.
Yeah. How many hours do you spend creating a video? YouTube video.
Pure counting number of hours. So 2 days in preparing a quiz. So 2 days basically means if you work like 5-6 hours in a day, तो 10-11 घंटे उसके अंदर. Then 2 hours का shoot और उसके बाद फिर वो वीडियो निकलता है around 40-45 minutes का. To convert that 2 hour into 45 minutes and put all the questions, elements, memes वगैरह जो भी मसाला है. It takes like 3-4 full days. So 25-30 hours. So और मोटा overall like 40-45 hours per video. Like exactly working hours. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 दिन. Basically like एक बंदे का पूरा work week. और इन्फोसिस में काम करते हो तो आधा वर्क वीक. Full video of how we make it. ठीक है. You posted a financial crunch for APH. What is the situation now? It's not bad. I would say thank you so much for the love that you have given to the book. From the pre-orders, we have first time in the life of APH made a small profit. Small है but still profit है. मतलब we can use this profit to do bigger things. So live shows हम कर पा रहे हैं उसमें. It takes a lot of travel, stay, accommodation. Tickets से तो वो नहीं होता है. So live shows is one thing. Second बताएंगे in the next project. We are working on some things. So that is only possible because of the book ka pre-order. So thank you.
Things are not bad for us. For our team also, we can afford the team.
Yeah, everybody got small raise.
Yes. But I'm glad you asked. I'm glad they remember. Like I know.
Thank you for being so nosy in our financial life.
नहीं रखी तो अच्छे से पूछ.
I know, but you know I'm joking, है ना?
How has APH developed you as a person, and how has it developed your relationship?
But before APH, I think I was an embryo. I had no idea what the world is about. I thought I was curious, but now I realize I was not curious enough. Now I have learned real curiosity.
Actually, a lot of people come to us, message us saying that APH made them smarter. I always tell them, it made us smarter. मतलब, like really हमें कुछ नहीं आता था पहले. We have learned so much as a byproduct of being a quiz master, being a player. We have reached a stage, जो बहुत प्यारी problem to have I feel, where as a byproduct of us becoming smarter, it is becoming very difficult for us to make questions for each other. क्योंकि now we think कि okay, this trivia has been covered in some older 900 वीडियोस हो चुके हैं. देयर इज बहुत कम चांस है कि आप 10 क्वेश्चन लाके दोगे और मैं उसमें से मतलब आई कैन पॉइंट आउट कि एक क्वेश्चन हमने कहीं ना कहीं किसी वे में यूज किया होगा इन क्विज वेज इन बुक कहीं ना कहीं.
नाउ वी वांट टू make you play
Yeah.
more games, and that is like one of the future projects.
How has it developed your relationship पे भी? We had already vibed earlier, honestly, on puzzles.
Yeah.
Hardword, for example,
Yeah.
told this story many times, but Hardword, APH today is 3 years old, Hardword is 4 years old. Way before APH, like 1 year before APH, Hardword was made because that is what we vibed on. बहुत ही क्यूटली हमारी engagement हो चुकी थी. हमारी शादी के पहले मोहित ने कोड आउट किया था on our first Valentine's, and the first word he tried was wife. But anyway, so I'm just saying कि हम पहले भी we used to vibe on it, but now we vibe too much on
Yeah.
trivia, on Easter eggs.
For me, in a relationship, I think it has just made me more cocky. Yeah, more arrogant. Yeah, Nippu, you don't know. I know this. Yeah.
Peasant. You
You
peasant.
peasant, you don't know this.
Coming to video related questions, how do you think of so many formats?
I don't know.
I don't know. मोहित कभी नहीं अच्छा आंसर देता इसका. I will tell you. I think he is the reason because he's an engineer. He's a hardcore coder. हाँ, मोहित एकदम मतलब वो जो 11 साल की उम्र से कोड कर रहा है. He's just hardcore coder. So he thinks in कि edge cases क्या हो सकते हैं, how to make this, how to do this. So a lot of times ऐसा भी हुआ होगा कि he's thought of the idea and he's coded it. Sometimes I will just say the idea कि oh what if we combine say snakes and although this is not my idea but snakes and ladders with say quiz and then he will think of the mechanism to do it. तो उसका coding दिमाग ना बहुत काम आता है हमें. एंड दूसरी चीज इज अ ब्यूटीफुल अगेन वेरी फिलोसॉफिकल आंसर बट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू डू क्विजिंग है. वी हैव नॉट हैड अ बैकग्राउंड इन इट, so we don't know how to do it, so we are just doing it the way we want it to.
So whatever formats you see are basically all the wrong answers that other people ignored. Hey, this is not how it's done. And you're like, what if? Let's try to do it like this.
Yeah.
Honestly, just mixing one thing with another thing. This is all of it.
Yes. How do you search for question? Do you find it randomly or go deep?
We don't search for questions, है ना? So question of a quiz is like a joke. Do you search for joke? No, you observe things around you, and then maybe you find something. Hey, this could be funny if it is said in this way. This is how jokes work. Honestly, for a quiz question also, this is exactly how it works. Where joke has a punchline, quiz question has an answer. Joke with punchline gives you haha. Question with answer gives you aha. So you have to find it. Oh, okay. So whenever you learn something new by randomly like questioning all the obvious things, then you say oh, and then अगर आपको अंदर से हल्का सा you felt that oh, then there is something. 9 out of 10 times it will be nothing, trash. But 1 out of 10 times it will be a treasure. You just have to do it like 100 times to find 10 such things for a quiz video, and then you have to like write it in a way where your question just misdirects you. Question makes you think, wow, what are you even talking about? Is it fiction? Is it full fake? And then the answer comes and you're like, wow, ये था. So answer must like connect all the dots for you. So
ये टोपी पहन के मस्त बोल रहे रे आज तो.
है ना? Full English.
Some lines तो यार I am just like वाह 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 क्या लाइन बोली वाह रे.
Thanks. वीडियो ऐसा फट के निकला. ये वीडियो मिलियन पहुंच जाए.
Never नहीं अच्छा पहुंच गए कुछ वीडियोस मिलियन.
लॉन्ग वीडियो नहीं पहुंचे ना.
Never. 800 की 300 ओह नो गाइस मैं कभी कोई लॉन्ग वीडियो लॉन्ग फॉर्म पे 1 मिलियन नहीं हुई है. कम ऑन.
Can this one? अब इंग्लिश खत्म हो गई मेरी.
I really wish you bring more formats like burning questions, curious case. I know there are some cult followers of these formats.
We want to.
Noted. Out of all your videos, which videos you personally enjoy shooting the most?
Explainers are the most fulfilling videos that we do, and for fun.
Plot twist.
Something that also works is plot
Plot
twist.
twist. Plot twist. Plot twist is a party.
We have a blast shooting it. Most expensive, horrible, exhaustive shoot is the plot twist ones.
Yes.
But oh, क्या फन, क्या मजा आता है.
Yes.
कभी बजर नहीं चलता. आहा.
पर शायद मैं फुटेज दिखाऊंगी कोई पिछले प्लॉट ट्विस्ट में रिकॉर्डेड लाइक सो मेनी लाइट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड 4-5 फोन्स लगते हैं. अब जतिन को उसमें काम है उसके कॉल आ जाएंगे बहुत कुछ होता है तो मतलब बहुत सारे लॉजिस्टिकली इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग बट उफ
ओके मजा आता है भाई बहुत मजा आता है.
आर वी मेकिंग मोर गेम्स लाइक हार्डवर्ड?
Okay, short answer, yes. Do not ask me the name of the games, do not ask me the time of the games. So here's the thing about building something while doing content. So content is something you cannot stop, है ना? So it's like you're always running on the treadmill. अब भाग रहे हो. Everything you have to do while you're running on the treadmill. So while you're running, you write in the book. When you're running, you have to practice the live shows. Honestly बताऊं, if this comes out, it will feel like journey of APH is complete.
Even in book जैसे we say, the most fun page to write was page 79 because it was a puzzle. We both love making puzzles.
Yeah.
So it'll be really fun to do that.
That's why. Will you buy our murder mystery book?
हार्डवर्ड जैसा अभी QOTD भी है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू एवर
there's
अनाउंस हियर.
QOTD.
क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे एवरी डे एक क्वेश्चन आता है हैज ऑप्शंस. यू कैन प्ले इट, अर्न पॉइंट्स, मेंटेन योर स्ट्रीक. व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट बिग प्रोजेक्ट?
I'll show you something that I travel.
I kept it here, yeah.
This is something that I travel with. These are some blank cards. For many months now, the first ever project जब हमने वो Zoom call attend की थी, वहाँ पे 2 लोग आए थे.
When we were at 20,000 followers on Instagram,
and
yes.
20 subscribers on YouTube. We organized like a चलो ठीक है, people let's come together. 20,000 people एक साथ आते हैं and then we'll discuss something. 2 people came in and we did discuss something. What we discussed was a card game.
Yes.
For a long time, we want to make a curiosity card game. We have been traveling with these cards. Why? Because whenever an idea comes, hey, could this be an interesting game? We quickly turn these cards into the games of the card. हम इस पे लिख लेते हैं, पेन से मार्क कर देते हैं, and then we distribute the cards and try to play among ourselves. This is one thing. We randomly want some things which are non-screen, which helps you learn something, which improves you as a person, which is also fun.
And honestly, personally, I think a lot of people know this already, but I've been very close to my dada. In my family, my dada and nana, both of them were very famous for being hardcore tash lovers. Matlab, they have taught me a lot of games. I've grown up with lot of card games. For a brief period of my life, I was an illustrator. Tab bhi I was illustrating cards only, just because I want. Matlab, I can't live with the fact that we didn't make a card game.
Then we have game show. जैसा बताया, we also want you to play our games. है ना? Live show में, game show setting type में. We are working on it. It is the most bravest project. So it will take almost everything that we have.
It'll be tough, but it is something that we want to figure out. And also we host, जैसे trivia night sometimes with our friends, and it is so fun to host. So we want to bring more people in and more characters in.
And the last thing is bigger live shows. Abhi our content has improved so much. Maybe
Of the live show.
before the year ends, we want to do a 1,000-seater live show of our Trivia Plus comedy, and then we'll retire the show.
100 सीटर ज़्यादा तो करा नहीं अभी
100 सीटर ज़्यादा हमने किया नहीं, उसका 10 times बड़ा हम सोच रहे हैं. तो दोस्तों, we want to do 1,000 seater.
Yeah. Some people here have had doubts because we say it's trivia plus comedy and they think trivia matlab quiz.
It's not
a quiz show. There is a quiz segment बीच में, but it is a show where we have gathered some trivia which we've not put in the book or in the videos, and we are delivering it in a nice storytelling format with a lot of Mohit की unedited comedy, क्योंकि वहाँ पे edit ही नहीं हो सकती.
My terrible joke, full quota terrible joke.
So that is what the show is. We honestly only decide on the basis of where the demand is. There is a form in the description always. Only fill it if you're committed to pay a ticket and come for it. It's a proper show. It's an experience. It's not like what you watch on the videos. We have taken it to some other level.
When is APH going international? ये क्या सवाल है बताओ? You are rubbing wounds on my salt. How is it possible? Salt on my wounds. You are rubbing salt on my wounds. You know about my visa situation, दोस्तों.
इतना भी ऐसे कोई बैंड नहीं है मोहित, सिर्फ एक कंट्री ने नहीं दिया यूएस में, बट या पहले इंडिया में तो कर ले हम शोज.
Why Trivia calendar is out of stock? Why? Because you bought it. Thank you. Because all of you purchased it, it's out of stock, gone, blah blah blah. पर बहुत पहले हो गया था out of stock. अभी आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हो मुझे नहीं पता, पर ठीक है. Why don't you guys think of expansion of merchandise on the website? हाँ करेंगे ना. मतलब कुछ बनाएंगे, चीजें बनाएंगे, कार्ड है, कार्ड गेम है.
T-shirt वगैरह is all gone. Didn't even announce it. Didn't even do a clearance sale. Logistically painful and loss making for us. It made no sense to run it. I'm still proud of the designs though. I love them. Well,
this was my chess move to convince Nippu so that I do not have to wear my merch. I can always wear my black T-shirt. Cards revealed. My cards have been revealed.
तू अपने सारे मेरे को दे दे, मैं तेरा L size का भी पहनती हूँ. I love our merch. I'm very proud of it.
I am also.
Biggest challenge / learning of working with your partner.
Horrible for Nipun. Delightful.
Nice save. But honestly, the other scenario scares me more, where हम बहुत ही अलग path में होते, and then I think it will be difficult to explain each other's situation. उस समय तो अभी we are on the same path. We know कितना anxiety किसको क्यों हो रहा है, क्या business कैसा चल रहा है, कहाँ पे अच्छा हो रहा है, बुरा हो रहा है. We're all on the same page always. कभी कभी बाल नोचने का मन कर जाता है क्योंकि आप पूरे टाइम इन्हीं के साथ हो,
इसलिए आप टोपी पहन के बैठे.
बट जावेद साहब की I'll say one line which was very good. He said, अगर 2 वर्किंग पार्टनर्स हैं, बिजनेस पार्टनर्स हैं, और अगर आप पूरे टाइम सेम ही पेज पे हो, तो आप साथ काम ही क्यों कर रहे हो?
तो 2 की जरूरत क्या है?
2 की जरूरत क्या है? और अगर आप पूरे टाइम झगड़ ही रहे हो, तो फिर साथ काम करने की जरूरत क्या है? So we have a mix of that.
Can you guys share your love story? How it all began? Who approached? Who proposed? Etc.
एकदम शॉर्ट में बता दे.
Quick, एक कभी full video बना देंगे, but quick. We met on Twitter. I tweeted something. Nipun replied to it.
About a book.
हाँ, about a book.
Animal Farm.
हाँ. so best book ever. Nipun replied to it. I DM'd her. We started chatting, and exactly 365 days of that DM, we got married in a court in 2 hours and 90 rupees. ठीक है, डिटेल में कभी बताएंगे.
बच्चे कुछ से पैसों से APH चल रहा है शादी के पैसों से.
What's your side hobbies or interest or skills which you love to do other than quizzing?
You are a coder. You
अब कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
हाँ, but still that is your.
One thing I absolutely do, I miss is making software. But I absolutely love, still do, is watching movies. Love watching movies.
Yeah.
हाँ, उसके अलावा I don't know. I don't like traveling.
हाँ, ये कितना रैंडम था खुद ही. ये ऐसे बोल रहे थे तो किसी ने लिखा हो ट्रैवलर बोल रहा है.
हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ. Traveling, no.
कितनी cities से शो करके आ रहे हैं, so we are like very tired. I love to travel.
You love to travel.
I love to travel with you also.
देखो,
We are very cute.
I get tired from like work, so I think make plan of traveling. But that plan of traveling itself is so much work. But eventually we do it. We go to traveling. Then by traveling itself, I get so tired. I want to just go home back and sleep.
I think there's a certain way you like to travel.
हाँ, my way of traveling is to go and sleep.
And relax. And I know a lot of people like to travel that way. And मैं ऐसे होती है कि 50 चीजें ये हिडन जेम वो हिडन जेम चल इधर चल उधर.
And they're hidden for a reason. They don't want to be seen. Just let them be hidden.
ऐसे नहीं पता. तुझे मजा नहीं आई थी हम जब एस्केप रूम
Okay,
वगैरह
ना.
करते हैं. You love it, no?
हाँ.
Now welcome to couples therapy session. You also enjoy running, but I know
Oh,
you
अब तो 1.5
love
साल हो गया. I love, like there's nothing like running
Yeah.
for my wife.
उसका घुटना.
What would
अरे
you
मेरी
be?
तो भी बच गई ना.
हाँ,
मेरी hobbies.
अच्छा तूने बताया ट्रैवलिंग. बता.
नहीं, traveling. I love traveling. I love again something that I love doing and I'm not able to do is drawing and illustrating. I used to really enjoy doing that. और बीच में मेरे phases आते हैं when I get too stressed with APH work, then I take up a new hobby for like 5 days and I love learning it. The last one was crochet. It was fun. It gave me अच्छा time. What would you be doing in life if you were not a YouTuber?
ये
I've
फर्स्ट
only-
AMA में हमने
Yes,
आंसर किया था ये.
Only kept this question because in that AMA, I think I said I would want to be a writer, a journalist, ऐसा कुछ, and you said
I want to be a comedian. मैं stand up comedian बनना चाहता था.
I think I would have been writer in some format. And now in the shows he's doing comedy and we wrote a book.
Both are done.
हाँ, तो अगर यूट्यूबर नहीं होते तो फिर मोहित फुल टाइम ऐसे कोडर होता. अब मुझे नहीं पता. मैं
Yeah, I love talking to computers, not to human beings.
exactly. And
Except who are my friends. I have got a full circle of friends
APH
now.
has given us a lot of friends. Love you, APH. If you could remove one common myth from people's minds forever, what would it be and why? ये मैंने किसी पॉडकास्ट में भी बोला था, but I absolutely want to remove the myth that giving up is bad. That never give up. मेरी दीवार में आपको कभी ये पोस्टर नहीं दिखेगा. Never give up. It is
Occasionally give up.
हाँ, but it lacks context. It makes people feel so guilty about giving up. To give you context, I come from the fact that when I was in my first job, I hated every day over there. Neither was it paying me, nor was it teaching me anything crazy. But I stuck there for the sake of
Not
never
giving
give
up.
up. बस वो never give up के चक्कर में it took away so much from me, and I stayed there for like 1 full year, whatever.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ से मैं आती हूँ कि it is okay to give up, and giving up is not like कि you could not do one thing. Giving up is choosing something else, and I think everybody should keep choosing whatever they want to. It is okay to pivot. It is okay to just take new directions.
Me, I have so many things that I want to be removed from, like people's mind, myths. But if I say so,
Oh, very edgy.
I'll be removed. I'll say this: there's always help. Even if you are outsider, even if you don't know anybody, if people everywhere are kind. You will find kind people everywhere. Not everybody will be kind, but kind people will be everywhere. And you'll just find them, and help will be given to you. But there's one small condition: you have to earn it. Now you cannot be just standing at the starting line and say, "Hey, please help me run. Please help me run." No, you just start running, fall, tumble down, get up, maybe run more. Once you are on the way, then you realize, "Oh, I need this help." Then you reach out to people, and people are kind enough to give you help. So this is what we have realized: we have been given a lot of help on our journey before APH, during APH, even now. Just be deserving of that help. Just don't be at the starting line asking for the help. Be on the journey, and help will be with you.
Welcome to another episode of Ask APH. As many people in Bangalore show had requested.
Nippu,
yeah.
what's the most awkward DM you have received? हम दोनों का सेम ही है.
Hi.
Hey.
लिख दो आगे भी कुछ. क्या है? Okay, back to the question we started with. Give a hint on page 79. What is the hint you are leaving on the shows? Please give it to the people.
Yeah, okay. Our book is available in India. In India, you can buy anywhere. And but one of the easiest way to make a book available worldwide is to make it available as an ebook. The book can be read anywhere by anybody. Yet this book is not available as ebook, and the reason for
For it not being available as ebook.
English is page number 79. To solve page number 79, you will need a physical copy. The solution will need you to do something with a physical copy of the book that you cannot do with an ebook or the photos of the book. That is a big hint. Do something that only with a physical book you can do.
To add to that, somebody asked कि मैंने अभी तक जलाई नहीं है बस, so you don't need to destroy.
There's a huge reason.
I think that brings us to the end of the video, except this one funny question, क्योंकि आप अभी भी सोडा पी रहे हैं. How much soda does Momo drink?
And the answer is yes. I drink soda.
Zero ही पीता है बेचारा.
Zero sugar, but one in a day, depending on कि दिन कैसा है. If I need to do some focused work, if I'm not drinking na, then I'll eat. This is how my mind works.
Okay.
So to avoid eating and overeating, I just drink one can of.
और वीडियोस में हर बार पीता रहता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि पूरा दिन ही पीता रहता है, बट शूट डे पे.
आपको लगता है बस पूरे दिन की वीडियो थी वो.
But
There's a reason you're not a brainier member.
अरे यार शुक्र. Hey.
But thank you दोस्तों. Happy 3. Happy 3. एक बात बता निप्पो. This is the end of this video.
Yeah.
How does APH end?
I don't know. अभी तो मेरे दिमाग में एंड नहीं हो रहा है. I'm really
But that
enjoying.
is one question I deal with.
Anyway, thank you guys. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Apex would have been nothing without your support. Especially the people watching till here. We want certain things to exist in this world. So we are working towards that right now.
Yeah.
That is the
One of
job
them
of
is
an
a baby.
artist. Huh?